Have you ever noticed how planting a seed feels different? How the smell of soil, the touch of leaves, and the quiet of a garden instantly calms your mind? It's not random. It's biology. Humans are literally wired to garden, and science is finally catching up to explain why. Number 1, the ancient connection: why humans feel at home in nature. For over 99% of human history, we've lived surrounded by plants, growing, foraging, surviving through nature. Our brains, our bodies, even our immune systems evolved in those green spaces. It's no surprise that gardening brings us back to ourselves. Studies show even looking at plants for a few minutes lowers your blood pressure and heart rate. Number 2, the science of dirt: why soil makes you happier. This might sound strange, but dirt makes you happier. Inside healthy soil lives a friendly bacteria called Mycobacterium vaccae. When you garden, it gets under your nails, on your skin, and guess what? It boosts your brain's serotonin levels, naturally improving mood and lowering anxiety. You don't need acres, one pot, one herb plant. One small space is enough. Number 3, gardening as nature's therapy: body, mind, spirit. Gardening isn't just good for the planet, it's good for you. Think of it as therapy, but it grows leaves. Benefits: 1, boosts mental health and reduces depression. 2, lowers stress hormones like cortisol. 3, increases focus and mindfulness. 4, provides gentle full-body exercise. A 2019 study found that people who garden regularly report significantly higher life satisfaction. Number 4, no backyard, no problem. Small space gardening works too. Think you need a huge backyard? Think again. Balconies, rooftops, windowsills, all perfect places to start your own peaceful green space. Number 5, growing your own food: healthier you, healthier planet. When you grow your own herbs, veggies, or fruit, it's more than food. It's health, sustainability, and empowerment in one. Benefits: 1, fresher, pesticide-free produce. 2, reduces food waste. 3, cuts carbon emissions from transport. 4, saves money. Number 6, awe, wonder, and mental clarity: the magic of watching things grow. There's something almost spiritual about gardening. You watch life unfold, you slow down, you reconnect with nature, with yourself. You were born to garden. Start today. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a huge yard. All you need is one small seed, a little soil, and a moment of patience. Because when you plant something, you're not just growing food or flowers, you're growing peace, strength, and a reminder of who you really are. Start small, grow peace, reconnect. Like this video if you believe we all need a little more green in our lives. Comment below. What's the first thing you'll grow? And don't forget to subscribe for more simple ways to reconnect with nature, right from your own space.